Using Squarespace to build and manage your website is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to make the most of the platform. Sign up and choose a template. Begin by signing up for a Squarespace account. Choose a template that aligns with your website's purpose and style. Customize your site. Utilize Squarespace's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize your site's layout, fonts, colors, and images. Personalize it to match your brand identity. Add content. Populate your site with content by creating pages and adding text, images, videos, and other elements. Squarespace supports various content types, making it versatile for different purposes. Create navigation menus. Organize your site structure by creating navigation menus. Ensure easy navigation for visitors to find the information they seek. Integrate features. Explore Squarespace's built-in features such as blogs, galleries, forms, and e-commerce functionality. Easily add these elements to enhance your website's capabilities. Configure SEO settings. Optimize your site for search engines by configuring SEO settings. Add meta tags, descriptions, and keywords to improve your site's visibility in search results. Connect a custom domain. If you have a custom domain, connect it to your Squarespace site for a professional online presence. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is optimized for mobile devices by previewing and adjusting the mobile layout. Squarespace provides responsive design options. Set up analytics. Track your website's performance by integrating analytics tools. Gain insights into visitor behavior and use the data to refine your content and strategy. Launch your site. When satisfied with your site's design and content, click Publish to make it live. Share your website on social media or through other marketing channels to attract visitors.